Okay, here we go. Oh my god. My fourth mechanical one. I heard this cover thing comes off really easily, but like, it's not really coming off. It's a Siemens UHN. Right, here's the other one. Oh wow, this one's in even worse condition. I mean, both these are, I guess new in box, but this one, like, has weird marks. Brand new in the box. Actually, let's see whenever these are made. It should say on the instructions. 2004, early 2002. Alright, cool. Here's the inside. Here's the copper plate. And here's the mechanism. I want to try taking this off. Oh, that was really easy. And those are your jumpers for the Hornstroh version of these. Alright, I'm gonna be testing these now. So, yeah.